Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt and in this video I'm going to be going over strong acids and bases. So let's get into this. So what do we mean by strong? So whenever you see the word like strong acid or strong base or strong electrolyte, what they mean is when you put it into water, it's either going to ionize or dissociate completely in water, so that the compound itself will not be together in water. So it's all going to be dissociated. It's all going to be ionized completely. And so, for example, here we have HCl. HCl is a strong acid. So, if it wasn't put into water, it would be all in this form HCl, because HCl is a molecule. It's not an ionic substance, it's a molecular substance. But when you put this in water, you're not going to have very much of this at all, right? You're going to practically have zero of this in solution. All of this is going to ionize into H plus and Cl minus. So the only thing, practically speaking, the only thing you're really going to have in solution is H plus and Cl minus. You're going to have very, very, very little of this. So that's why we call it a strong acid, because it ionizes completely in water. So you're going to have lots of ions in the solution. So strong acids and bases are going to make the math easier because they ionize or dissociate completely in water. And we'll see that in a later video. So this is going to make math easier because they dissociate completely in water, and we don't need to focus on this. We can focus on how much H plus we have. Okay, so what about the memorization? What do we have to know? What are the strong acids? What are the strong bases? Well, there are 7 strong acids that you need to know, right? So typically you're going to have to memorize these. So here they are. So the strong acids: HCl, hydrochloric acid; HBr, hydrobromic acid; HI, hydroiodic acid. And then these are the binary acids. And then you have oxyacids. So you have the sulfuric acid, H2SO4, HNO3, which is nitric acid, HClO4, perchloric acid, and HClO3, chloric acid. So these are the 7 strong acids you should memorize. You should know these because you want to be able to identify them in a problem, because as soon as you identify that you have a strong acid, it makes the math easier in the problem. If you run into an acid that is not a strong acid, it's automatically a weak acid. So then you know what to do in that situation. The strong bases are all going to be hydroxides. So we have lithium hydroxide, LaOH, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. We have potassium hydroxide, KOH. We have rubidium hydroxide, RbOH, and we have cesium hydroxide, CSOH. And these are your alkali metals. So these are the hydroxides of your group 1 metals. And then we have hydroxides of your group 2 metals, your alkaline earth metals. And so here we have calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, strontium hydroxide, and we have barium hydroxide. So those are the strong bases you should memorize. And so that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful and insightful and interesting. So if you enjoyed this video, please like the video. Please hit that like button. Also share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And make sure you also click all when you do, so that way you can be notified by all the videos I put out. And then finally, put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.